Good morning students. Last video we discussed up to 7 problems in exercise number 15.1. In this video I am going to explain after 7 problems what is the 8th and 9th, 10th, 11 problems. Okay. Coming to 8th one, a bag contains 3 red balls and 5 black balls. A ball is drawn at a random from the bag. What is the probability that the ball drawn is red color or not red color? So it was the simple question. A bag contains 3 red balls and 5 black balls. A ball is drawn at a random from the bag. What is the probability that the ball drawn is red color or not red color? So simple question అంటే ఒక బ్యాగ్ లోనేమో 3 రెడ్ బాల్స్ ఉన్నాయి 5 బ్లాక్ బాల్స్ ఉన్నాయి. మనం ఏం కనుక్కోవాలి, ఒక బాల్ ని మనం ర్యాండమ్ గా తీసుకునేటప్పుడు ఆ బాల్ రెడ్ బాల్ అయ్యే ప్రాబబిలిటీ ఎంత, అది రెడ్ బాల్ కాని ప్రాబబిలిటీ ఎంతో కనుక్కోవాలి. సో నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ రెడ్ బాల్స్ is equal to 3. Number of black balls is equal to 5. Total number of balls. Total number of balls is equal to 3 plus 5, that implies 8. Okay. So now we have to find out probability of getting red ball. Probability of getting red ball. Probability, what is the formula? Number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. So total number of outcomes is 8. Number of favorable outcomes. Our favorable cases we have to find out the possibility of to get red ball in a bag. So how many red balls are present? 3 red balls. So the probability of getting red ball is 3 by 8. By using formula favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. Our favorable case is red ball, so it is 3 and total number of outcomes is 8. Second one, we have to find out probability of not red ball. Already we know that probability of an event plus probability of not event is equal to 1. So 1 minus 3 by 8. You get 8 minus 3 by 8, that is equal to 5 by 8. Simple one. So we have to write note also. Probability of E plus probability of E bar is equal to 1. So we have to find out probability of not event. Probability of not existing event is equal to 1 minus probability of event. 1 minus probability of event is how much? 3 by 8. So finally we get 5 by 8. Our other alternative solution is also there. It is not red ball in the sense the ball must be a black ball. So how many black balls are present? 5. So total number of outcomes is 8. So finally you get 5 by 8. Your choice, your wish, you have to do any method, no problem. So coming to 9th one. 9th one also same model. A box contains 5 red marbles, 8 white marbles and 4 green marbles. So one marble is taken out of the box at a random. What is the probability that the marble taken out will be a red color, white color, not green color? The same model. So red marbles 5, white marbles 8, green marbles 4. Green marbles 4. So total number of marbles 5 plus 8 plus 4, that is equal to 17 marbles are present. Now we have to find out the probability of choosing red marble or the probability of choosing white marble. We have to find out probability of red marble. So probability formula favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. So red marbles 5, total number of outcomes 70. Coming to second one, probability of getting white marble. By same formula, how many white marbles are present? 8. Total number of marbles? 70. Okay. Coming to third one. Probability of not green marbles. Probability of not green marbles. That is equal to 1 minus probability of green marbles. By using identity. What we know identity? Probability of E plus probability of E bar is equal to 1. Here we have to find out probability of not green marbles taking choice. So 1 minus probability of getting green marbles. 1 minus, how many green marbles are present? 4 out of 70. So that implies 17 minus 4 by 17. 17 minus 4 how much? 13. 13 by 7. Understand? So coming to 10th one. A piggy bank contains 150 paisa coins, 51 rupee coins, 22 rupee coins and 10 5 rupee coins. If it is equally likely that one of the coin will fall out when the bank is turned upside down, what is the probability that the coin will be a 50 paisa coin, will not be a 5 rupees coin? So the question is very simple question. And a piggy bank contains how many 50 paisa coins? 100. How many 1 rupee coins? 50. How many 2 rupee coins? 20. And 5 rupee coins are 10. It is equally likely that, why he is mentioned equally likely? Equally likely in the sense there is no cheating in a game. Means the probability of the chance of drawn 1 rupee coin is equal to chance of drawn 2 rupee coin or the drawn 50 paisa coin. The chances are equal. That's why he mentioned equally likely that one of the coin will fall out when the bank is turned upside to down. చిన్న పిల్లలు దాచుకునే పిగ్గీ బ్యాంక్ ఉంటుంది కదా, ఆ పిగ్గీ బ్యాంక్ ఏం చేశారంట, దాంట్లోని అన్ని రకాల కాయిన్స్ ఉంటే దాన్ని ఇలా డౌన్ చేశారంట. అలా డౌన్ చేస్తే what is the probability that the coin will be a 50 paisa coin? అలా డౌన్ చేసినప్పుడు డబ్బులు పడతాయి కదా, ఆ మనీలోని 50 paisa కాయిన్ అయ్యేటువంటి ఛాన్స్ ఎంత? And what is the probability that it will not be a 5 rupees coin? 5 rupees కాకుండా ఇంకేదైనా పడే ఛాన్స్ ఎంత? So see, number of 50 paisa coins is equal to 100. Number of 1 rupee coins, 1 rupee coins 50. Number of 2 rupee coins 20. Number of 5 rupee coins. 5 rupee coins how many? 10 coins are there. So total number of coins. Total number of coins is equal to 100 plus 50 plus 20 plus 10. Total coins how much? 180. 180 coins are present in this piggy bank. Now we have to find out, it will be a 50 paisa coin. So first one, probability of 50 paisa coin. So already you know the formula. Probability means number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. Here our favorable case is we have to take 50 paisa coin. The probability of getting 50 paisa coin. How many 50 paisa coins are there? 100 by total number of outcomes. Total coins how many present? 180 coins are present. So how much? 5 by 9. Coming to second one. Probability of will not be a 5 rupee coin. ఆ వచ్చే కాయిన్ ఏమవ్వకూడదంట? 5 రూపీ కాయిన్ అవ్వకూడదంట. సో నాట్ 5 రూపీస్ కాయిన్. నాట్ అంటే ఆల్రెడీ బై నోయింగ్ ఐడెంటిటీ probability of E plus probability of E bar is equal to 1. So that is equal to 1 minus probability of getting 5 rupees coin. So that implies 1 minus 5 rupees coins. Probability of 5 rupees coins how much? Favorable case by total number of outcomes. Favorable case, number of 5 rupees coins how much? 10 by total number of outcomes 180. So 1 minus 1 by 18, that is equal to 17 by 18. Understand? So here this is the step, and next this is the down step. So once again, probability of not 5 rupees coin we have to find out. That is equal to 1 minus probability of getting 5 rupees coins. By knowing identity, probability of E plus probability of E bar is equal to 1. So how we have to find out probability of getting 5 rupees coins? Favorable cases is number of 5 rupees coins 10. Total number of outcomes is 180. 0, 0 get cancelled. 1 minus 1 by 18. That is equal to how much? 17 by 18. Understand? Coming to 11th one. Gopi buys a fish from a shop from his aquarium. The shopkeeper takes out one fish at a random from a tank containing 5 male fish and 8 female fish. What is the probability that the fish taken out is male fish? Okay. సో ఇక్కడ ఏంటంటే గోపి అనేవాడు ఎక్వేరియంలో ఉన్నటువంటి ఫిషెస్ని కొందాం అనుకుంటున్నాడు. ఆ ఎక్వేరియంలో ఏమేమి ఉన్నాయంట? 5 మేల్ ఫిష్ ఉన్నాయి, 8 ఫీమేల్ ఫిష్ ఉన్నాయి. నౌ వీ హ్యావ్ టు ఫైండ్ అవుట్ ద ప్రాబబిలిటీ ఆఫ్ getting the fish is male fish. The simple one. Male fishes how much? How many? 5. Female fishes 8. Total number of fishes 5 plus 8 13. Now we have to find out, here the question is the probability that the fish taken out is a male fish. అంటే ఎక్వేరియంలో నుంచి గోపి తీస్తున్నటువంటి ఆ ఫిష్ ఏమవ్వాలి? మేల్ ఫిష్ అయ్యేటువంటి ప్రాబబిలిటీ ఎంతో మనం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. సో ద ప్రాబబిలిటీ ఆఫ్ మేల్ ఫిష్. Probability means favorable cases by total number of cases. So favorable outcomes is male fishes how many? 5. Total number of fishes 30. That is enough for answer. Okay. So next video we will discuss 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th problems. Okay.